If you're choosing between SwarmUI and ComfyUI, this isn't just AI UI versus AI UI. It's ease of use orchestration versus maximum workflow control. So, which one is actually better? Let's break it down. SwarmUI is designed to simplify advanced AI image generation. It adds a cleaner interface on top of complex workflows, with built-in model management, generation controls, queues, and multi-user features. For many users, it feels more organized and easier to manage than raw ComfyUI setups. But here's the catch. Under the hood, a lot of the power still comes from ComfyUI itself, meaning SwarmUI is more like a management layer than a completely separate ecosystem. ComfyUI takes the opposite approach. It gives you direct node-based workflow control where you can build almost anything: advanced pipelines, animations, control net chains, LoRa systems, automation, and custom logic. That's why many advanced stable diffusion creators consider it the most powerful workflow system available. The downside is complexity. Beginners often find the node system overwhelming, and workflows can become messy very quickly. So the real difference is this. SwarmUI helps you manage AI workflows more easily, while ComfyUI gives you complete low-level control. So which AI is better? Choose SwarmUI if you want an easier and cleaner workflow management experience. Choose ComfyUI if you want maximum customization, automation, and advanced AI pipelines. Bottom line, ComfyUI is still the more powerful platform overall because it offers nearly unlimited workflow flexibility. But SwarmUI can actually feel better for day-to-day use because it simplifies many of the pain points that make raw ComfyUI intimidating. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.